Hey everybody, this is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses. We are at our 3204 Freeman Street property. I just want to do an inside tour. I don't think I've done that in a while. And if I have, sorry, and enjoy the video anyway. So these are things that happen in life. So we got the bathtub set, which I'll show you in a minute, but they had delivered the wrong walls. You can see right there how that wall is for those bathtubs, and this is a P15 bathtub. So I'm going to have to get the correct walls for this job. And then you can see here how we went ahead and ripped out the rest of this ceiling. It needed it. And we are all dried in. It's been raining a lot, and we can see how we're nice and dry up there now. And let's see, kitchen is pretty much the same spot. We have got the bathroom done, that's the bathtub right there. That's what I like about these little houses, is they're so simple, right? All the plumbing is in one wall of the house. Well, all the main plumbing for the house, and then you have the laundry room right here. So you have basically in this house, let me do it. So basically in this house you have, 10, 20, 30 feet of plumbing. It's not scattered, it's real efficient. So I like how that works out. Let's see. We had all the hardware switched out, so we went with the hinges and doors. Ceiling fan's been done. Let's prove it. So ceiling fan's been done, and the bathroom's been wired, and the bathtub's been set, but now we need, and the window was closed up. So we've gone through tomorrow. We got a large delivery of materials coming, so we had to get the painter stuff in the painter's new room, and we had to get the electrical stuff in the electrical new room, the new electrical room, and the floor is ready to get its Durarock and get going with that. So, and then another change that's been going on is I went ahead and started on the garage, getting the vinyl siding done, but we had to replace every sheet of OSB on that thing. So if you come over here, you can see just what's going on. So we took all the OSB off, and now we've taken it to where we've got it weathered in here, not here, but weathered in on these two sides, this one and that one, and the back still needs to be done. So other than that, things are progressing well, and stay tuned. This is we had to redo all the electrical in this house. We had to do all the electrical in the kitchen and the bathroom because this was the only receptacle in the entire kitchen. So we went ahead and went all the way around with the proper wiring and circuits for updated code for this house. And I think we're in good shape. So other than a few small mistakes that need to get fixed, this house is looking pretty good. Continue to follow us. Windows go in next week. I'll get a video of that and watching those super efficient people and how they do it. All right, y'all take care. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them. And if you have any bad comments, keep them to yourself. But if you have to try to ruin my day, but you won't, you can go ahead and leave a nasty comment. All right, thanks. Forrest Buys Houses, and we can buy yours too. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.